Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and this is Miss Cali Cat. So today I have a new to me box. It is the Birch Box. Like I said, I've never gotten this box before, so I don't exactly know what to expect. I do know that if you subscribe to Birch Box, it is either $15 a month for 1 month, $15 for 3 months, or if you get it for 12 months, it's $13 a month. So, this is what it looks like. Look at this beautiful box, y'all. So pretty. Doesn't this just scream summer to you? Oh, so ready. So, I've said before in other boxes, I love a reusable box. This one is not as sturdy as other boxes that I get, but I still could reuse it for other things. So this is what it looks like inside. Hoping nothing falls out. All right, let's look at this card before we do anything else. Hello, sunshine. Spring sure looks good on you. Garden variety of casual beauty picks to prep skin for warmer weather and sunnier days. So, yeah. Here is my card, and this just lists what I got in my box. And I did pull it up here too. You can look and see what your samples are on the website, but you have to click that you want to peek, which I did not do. I just pulled it up so that I could peek if I needed to get it in for any more information for y'all. So I'm just gonna pick up the first thing I see. And this is the POREfessional Pore Primer, Smooth Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. Okay. Y'all see that? And there is the wee bitty little sample. Hang on, see if I can get a hold of this. Good. Teeny tiny little thing. All right, let's read on it. Benefit Women's Foundation, the POREfessional Pore Primer. The full size, okay, I was about to say this is not the full size, but if you get the full size, it is $32. This oil-free balm minimizes the look of pores, smooth skin, and protects with vitamin E. The sheer translucent formula works on all skin types. Apply pre-makeup and or wear alone. Let's just stick it right there. It just looks like a little bit of a tinted primer. What did I do with the lid? Okay. Let's see if this says anything different. This Silky makeup primer, is that the same thing I just read? No. This Silky makeup primer diffuses the look of pores and fine lines for an airbrushed finish. Those with an oily T-zone will appreciate that it controls excess shine too. Okay. Curious to give that a try. Here you go, Callie. Hold that for me. All right, what are you? Balanceme BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. Full size is $37.50. This chemical exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, reducing blemishes and improves hydration to reveal brighter skin. Apply to face, let it dry before applying next step. Okay, let's look and see what it says on here. This salicylic acid rich concentrate is a fast absorbing leave-on chemical exfoliation to gently remove dead skin cells, fight blackheads, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration to reveal a softer, more youthful looking and brighter skin without causing redness or inflammation. This BHA-rich formula works on the upper layers of the skin, encouraging dead skin cells to shed to reveal the heavier and more radiant layers underneath. The calming and anti-inflammatory blend of bioactive ingredients complement the acid to smooth the hydration and hydrate the skin. Okay, apparently it must be good because this says it's out of stock. So that is what that is. Kind of has a citrusy smell. Oh, liquidy. See the bubbles? Don't know what to think about this Birch Box yet. Amika. Okay, so I have been using the Amika Dry Hairspray. My sister swears by it. Says it is the best dry hairspray out there. And I do like it. So I'm curious about this. Amika the Kure. I realized I made a funny face when I said that. Multi-task repair treatment. The Kure multitask repair treatment, full size is $28. This fast-acting, never can read this stuff right on the first try. This fast-acting rinse-out treatment doubles as leave-in to straighten your strands and repair damage in 60 seconds. Apply to damp hair, leave in for 2 or 3 minutes, and then rinse. So this is the first time sampling, and it is a woman-founded company. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed for right now because I don't know when I'm going to use it. Hey, Miss Bonnie. See if they're going to get an argument over here. No fighting, y'all. There we go. We can share the window. Okay, sorry. All right, let's see what it says about the Amika. This fast-acting rinse-out mask doubles as a leave-in treatment that works to strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and prevent future damage in 60 seconds. Multitasking and has never been so easy. Packaged with Bond Cure technology, plant butter, and vegan proteins, use this treatment for a stronger, more moisturized mane in an instant. So I am interested in this. You know, when you know the brand, it kind of does pop it up a little bit. You're like, ooh, okay. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. Like I said, y'all be nice. All right, what are you? Aurora Intensive Precise Eyeliner Espresso. Okay, so it is a brown eyeliner. Interesting. Let's just pop it open. I normally don't do an eyeliner. I tried to do one today and I ended up just blending most of it out because I'm not good at it. Look at that. It doesn't look, I mean, it looks black to me. I mean, when you smear it out, you can see this brown. Okay. It doesn't smear anymore, by the way. It is set now. It only took a second to set. Aurora Cosmetics Intensively Precise Eyeliner Espresso, full size, $11.99. This liquid eyeliner has an ultra thin felt tip for flawless precision. The long-lasting formula will give you up to 24 hours of definition for even the sharpest of cat eyes. I've never tried cat eyes, y'all. I feel like they'd be too young for me. I mean, I know a lot of people my age do them, but I'm so new to makeup, I think I'm scared to take that step. What do y'all think? Let's go. Are you hiding, baby girl? Hiding behind my laptop? This liquid eyeliner has an ultra thin felt tip for flawless precision. The long lasting formula will give you up to 24 hours of smudge proof definition for even the sharpest of cat eyes. That's kind of what we said. Comes in espresso, blackberry, and cinnamon. Ooh, I think I might like to try the cinnamon. It looks like a lighter brown. If I ever get brave enough to do this stuff, because I'm not good at it, y'all. Really not good at it. Did I show you? I mean, kind of know what it looks like. I showed you the felt tip, didn't I? I'm so bad about not remembering. Okay, what are you? Oribe Hair Plumping Mousse. Oh, mousse. I've not used mousse since I was in high school. Maybe that's why my hair is always so crazy. You know I don't do much to myself. Grandiose Hair Plumping Moisturizer. Full size is $39. Amp up your volume with this Luxe Mousse that delivers cruelty-free body. Work a golf ball sized dollop through damp hair, then scrunch. Blow dry for even more volume. All right. I did remember you have to shake up mousse. You know, I'm really bad about looking to see if I'm supposed to shake something up first, but I remembered that much. Woo! Dollop will do ya, let me tell ya. It has a good smell to it. My hair's not wet, y'all, but I'm gonna stick it in there. Because yeah, what else was I going to do with the mousse that I just squeezed out? Got some on my arm. Figured I would just attempt to curl a little. All right, y'all. Did it make a difference? I don't know. You know, granted, it was supposed to be wet. I can't see myself in the... This is driving me crazy. No, it's not doing right. It's trying to go up my nose. Okay. So, that was what was in this box. What do you think of the Birch Box? I will put some information below to let you know, prices, different tiers, what all comes in what, that kind of stuff. I'll put it all below. If I can find a referral code, I'll put that below. I may reach out to the company and see if I can get y'all a discount code. Anything I can do to help, I will try to do. But do let me know what you think of it. If it's worth, I don't know if I got it. I can't remember if I got a year to get the 13 or if I paid the 15. But let me know if you think it's worth $15, because that's what you would do if you paid a month. I don't know. I mean, I'm not good at the brands, so I don't know, besides I know this brand. So let me know what you think. I really need your help on this one. I'm not so sure. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please share me with your friends. Press the notification bell so you'll know when I put out new videos. You can see my kitties. Watch my beautiful backyard. Hopefully once the pool gets open, which I think is going to be by the end of the week, we can maybe film some outside by the pool. I think that would be fun, and you get to see the rest of my backyard. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.